Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to add a signature in Google Forms. First, open Google Forms and create a new form or open an existing one. Go to the question where you want to collect the signature. Google Forms does not have a built-in signature field, so we will use the Add-ons feature. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Add-ons. Search for Signature in the search bar. Install an add-on like Signature in Google Forms that allows signature collection. Follow the installation prompts and grant necessary permissions. Once the add-on is installed, go back to your form. Click on the add-on icon at the top right. A new add-on window will open. It will ask you to link your Google form with the add-on. After linking, click on Take Signatures and a new tab will open. At the bottom of your form, you will see there is a signature box where you can write your signature. After setting it up, preview your form to make sure the signature field works correctly. Respondents will now be able to draw or type their signature directly in the form. Finally, share your form with your audience using the link. You can view submitted signatures in the link spreadsheet or within the add-on dashboard, depending on the add-on you used. That is how you can add a signature in Google Forms. Thanks for watching.